One little string slipped.
And just like that, her whole afternoon changed.
Toby couldn't fly high enough to catch it.
But he knew exactly where a new one could come from.
Small moment. A small kindness.
But to her, it meant everything.